Hey guys, Casey at Russ Darrow Mitsubishi in Waukesha, and today we're taking a look at our 2016 Hyundai Genesis. Starting under the hood, you're getting a 3.8-liter V6 engine pumping 311 horsepower to its all-wheel drive system with an 8-speed automatic transmission. This beautifully designed vehicle isn't just powerful, it's feature-packed from bumper to bumper. On the outside, you're getting high-intensity discharge headlights with LED daytime running lights, rain-sensing windshield wipers, and heated dual-power side mirrors with turn signal indicators. Moving inside, you're greeted with a plethora of amenities: 12-way power with lumbar front seats covered in gorgeous leather, a leather-wrapped tilt and telescopic heated steering wheel, push-button start, heated and ventilated front seats, dual automatic climate control, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, power rear sunshade, and an amazing panoramic sunroof. Technology-wise, you can expect an 8-inch touchscreen navigation system with a multi-view rear-view camera, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM radio and TravelLink. Moving to safety, you are getting lane departure warning and lane keep assist, smart cruise control with emergency stop and go, pre-safety tightening seat belts, 9 airbags protecting you from every angle, and more. So experience what luxury evolved really means at Russ Darrow Mitsubishi today.